In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell products with Google for WooCommerce. We're going to walk through the full setup process inside WordPress so you can connect your WooCommerce store to Google and start getting your products in front of more shoppers. If you want your items to appear across Google's shopping-related surfaces, this integration is a great place to begin. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and then Add New. This is where you can install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. Since Google for WooCommerce is handled through a plugin, this is the starting point for the entire setup. Once you're on the Add New Plugin screen, search for Google for WooCommerce. When it appears in the results, click Install Now and then activate it. Installing the plugin adds the Google Sales Channel tools to your store, and activating it makes the setup options available in your WordPress admin area. After activation, head over to the sidebar and navigate to Marketing, then Google for WooCommerce. This opens the setup wizard, which is designed to guide you through the connection process. The wizard helps simplify what could otherwise be a more technical setup, so it's worth following each prompt carefully. Next, follow the prompts to connect your store to your Google account and your Google Merchant Center. This step links your WooCommerce product data with Google's shopping ecosystem. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before continuing, especially if you manage multiple businesses or merchant accounts. From there, you'll be asked to verify and claim your website. This is an important step because it tells Google that you own the store domain you're submitting products from. Verification and claiming help build trust between your website and your Merchant Center account, and they're required before your products can be fully approved for listings. Once the site is verified, move on to syncing your product feed. This is the part where your WooCommerce catalog is sent to Google. Depending on the size of your store, this may take a little time. It's a good idea to make sure your product titles, descriptions, pricing, and images are all accurate beforehand because the quality of your product data can affect visibility and approval. Finally, review everything and launch. Take a moment to confirm that your account connections are correct, your store is claimed, and your products are syncing properly. Once you complete the launch, your store will be set up to work with Google for WooCommerce. That's it. You've now connected your WooCommerce store to Google and taken the key steps toward making your products discoverable to a much wider audience.